Hello, Somerset High School. We are coming at you with today's announcements. Tonight we have a boys basketball game against Ellsworth. Varsity will be at 7:15 and JV will be at 5:45. Tori, what's going on tomorrow?
Tomorrow we have a girls basketball game with varsity starting at 7:15 and JV at 5:45, and that's at Baldwin. We also have a boys hockey game at home starting at 6 p.m.
Also for tomorrow, make sure that you wear your class colored shirt for Polar Days, or if you don't have it, just wear that color. And there will be a modified schedule for the talent show. On Saturday is the ACT from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. So make sure you are hydrated, eat a good breakfast, and sleep well.
We also have the wrestling regionals at SCC starting at 9 a.m.
Sounds like fun. Go support the boys. Girls hockey will be at 11 a.m. in Hayward.
And Saturday night we have our Polar Days dance starting at 8 p.m. till 11 p.m. with $10 for one person and $15 for two.
Sounds like fun. What's for lunch today, Kaylee?
Alright, so for lunch today we have a hot ham and cheese panini or ham basket or cheese pizza or an apple Waldorf salad with chicken.
And tomorrow we have cheesy Italian flatbread or a chicken parmesan sandwich on ciabatta. We also have pepperoni pizza or a yogurt pack variation.
Sounds delish.
All right, so we're here today to debate, is water wet? My question is, how do you know water's wet?
Looking at it, you can't tell, but if I were to stick my finger in the water, if water's not wet, then why is my finger getting wet?
Exactly, you just proved my point. You have to stick your finger into the water to know that it's wet.
Okay, then how do you know that this table is a solid, taking everything off of it?
Because I can touch it.
But you have to touch it to figure it out.
Exactly.
Then that solid's not hard.
And it's just like water. To know it's wet, I have to touch it. See, watch. Are you wet right now?
No.
I just splashed you!
And I'm wet
Make you
because
wet.
the water touched me.
So if I have really strong lemonade, right? And I pour water into my lemonade, does that make my lemonade wet?
No.
No.
But
You have to interact
you're
with
dry right now,
it. I'm dry, thankfully.
and I were to pour this on you. This is water, correct?
That's water?
This is correct
I think
water,
that's water,
right?
Right?
And I were to pour it
You
on
pour it on me.
How are
Okay.
you getting wet
pour it on me.
right now? If it's
Right
not
now,
wet,
now
how is it? How are you wet?
Because my hair is now wet.
How?
The
How?
water interacted with my hair.
But the water has to be wet for you to get wet.
The water has to be wet for me to get wet.
It is already wet.
But I don't know it's wet until I interact with it.
Your point is, you
Even
interact
in the-
with it,
even in
you
the
get wet.
definition, it's an adjective. It describes now my hair.
It's wet, but how?
Because you poured it on me.
But no. How are you wet? Just because I poured it on you, that's not the point. How are you wet? Because it's water.
Because it's water.
And water's wet. Yes.
I don't know about that one.
Yeah. Water's wet.
No,
Yeah.
no